Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet using the front loops only. This technique adds an interesting texture and dimension to your project. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. To demonstrate, I will be using single crochets. Now, instead of inserting your hook under both loops, insert it only into the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the front loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. That's your first front loop only stitch. Continue this process across the round, working into the front loop of each stitch. This creates a distinct texture that's a bit different from the usual stitches. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.